Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox one of the fastest car in the world. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, the diecast scale model of Bugatti Chiron W16, and this is the Chiron Pur Sport. This model comes in a black and red shade color. Just look at it, it can be called a black beauty. This car comes with two openable doors. And has a realistic interior inside. Just look at the dashboard, steering, gear and seats. Great. This is actually a 1:40 scale model. Along with the black metal body, this has shade of carbon fiber here and in the rear side. So if you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to your 10 friends. This product comes with the pullback action feature. Now let's test it on road. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.